Personally use Sonic the Hedgehog blood again back inside the drain pan, and again with the toothbrush to get all the existing algae out. Start off with a nice clean surface. Then you're going to go ahead and turn your vacuum on. Make sure that it's connected well, and then flush it out so that P-trap is nice and clean. That's very, very important. Then you're going to go ahead and fill it back up. Make sure that it's draining properly back into the reservoir, and you're good to go. And you know we're going to use Viper pan treatment. Yes, Lord. And then make sure that you keep the float switch clean. Follow for more content, baby.